Now we take the next part of differentiation, that is what differentiation of composite functions. If y is a function of u and u is a function of x, here u and u is a function of x, then dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. Now if y is a function of u, u is a function of x, if there is a small change in x in delta x, that means what, there will be change in u, that is delta u. Because there is a change in u, there is a change in y, because y depends upon u. Let delta x be a small change in x, because u is a function of x, because there is a change in x, there is a change in u. Delta u be the corresponding change in u, and because of that, because there is a change in u, there is a change in y. Let delta y be the consequent change in y. Here it is delta u. Consider delta y by delta x. Now you divide by delta u and multiply by delta u. Delta y by delta u into delta u by delta x. Now we take limits both sides, delta x tending to 0. So limit delta x tending to 0, delta y by delta x is equal to limit. Here when delta x tends to 0, delta u tends to 0. When delta x tends to 0, delta u tends to 0. So here I write delta u tending to 0 in the bracket, delta y by delta u, and here as usual delta x tending to 0. Limit delta x tending to 0, delta u by delta x. Now by convention, this is nothing but dy by dx is equal to, this is what, dy by du, and this is what, du by dx. As a corollary, if y is a function of u, u is a function of v, and v is a function of x. This means what? Y is a function of x, like that. V is a function of x, then dy by dx by the same method, dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dv into dv by dx. which is called chain rule. With the help of the above, all known formulae can be modified. With the help of the above, all the known formulae can be modified. Now, for example, first formula we take if y is equal to fx whole power n, then what we do, put u is equal to fx, then dy by, then y is equal to u power n and u is equal to fx. Dy by du is equal to n into u power n minus 1 and du by dx is f dash x. The differentiation of fx is f dash x. Now dy by dx we want. Dy by dx we want. It is dy by du into du by dx. Dy by du is what? N into u power n minus 1 into f dash x. It is equal to n into fx whole power n minus 1 into f dash x. Similarly, second one, if y is equal to root of fx, if we put u is equal to fx and y is equal to root u and du is equal to fx, dy by du is what? 1 by 2 root of u and du by dx is f dash x. So, dy by dx, if you put this one is u, root u is what? 1 by 2 root u. 1 by 2 root of fx into differentiation of fx is what? F dash x. Similarly, if y is equal to log fx, dy by dx is equal to log of something is what? 1 by something, that is what fx, into differentiation of that something, that is fx is what? F dash x. Similarly, if y is equal to e power fx, dy by dx, e power something is there, e power same thing, into differentiation of that function is what? F dash x. Using these, some examples can be worked out. First one, y is equal to x squared plus 1 whole power 7. What we do from initial steps, we can do it. Let y is equal to, by the side you write, let u is equal to x squared plus 1. So then y is equal to u power 7 and u is equal to x squared plus 1. So dy by du is equal to 7 into u power 6 and du by dx is equal to 2x. What we want is dy by dx. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx is what? 7 into u power 6. U power 6, u is what? X squared plus 1. X squared plus 1 power 6 into du by dx is what? 2x. So this can be written as 14x into x squared plus 1 whole power 6.